Good morning, everyone. Today, present in the morning assembly, my honorable head ma'am, respected my teacher staff, and my lovely brothers, sisters, and my all friends. Today, in the morning assembly, I am going to give a short explanation about my lovely village, Solapathar Shamgaon. I heard from my elders that my village was established near about 150 years ago. The name of my lovely village is Solapathar Shamgaon. It is situated in the district of Soido at Moja Sirakuti. Solapathar Shamgaon is governmentally known as Adarsa Gaon. The river Safrai flows near the village. A deep forest has Sola Gaima Obarano in the village. The road of our village name is Holhatta Ali. Our village is not thickly populated. It has about 500 people in our village. Most of our villagers are cultivators, some are employers and teachers. There are a amalgamation high school, 155 long primary school, a Pali Vidyalaya to Buddhist monastery, a post office, a children park, a park named Sahitya Moniki Pawan in our village. We all villagers Buddhists. Our festivals are Poisangken, Poipima, Microsungphai, Buddha Purnima, etc. Our villagers are honest and educated. We love our village and villagers very much. Thank you.